Okay guys, welcome back to the course. So this is going to be a section on actually going viral with the content you have. So, we've looked at what makes great content, how to find free viral content, and how to structure your content. We've also looked at hashtag research. So the next stage is actually going viral. So what we would do, we found our post that we want to post. It's got a good engagement rate, it's lots of views, it's a video, so we know that it's already gone viral before, so it has a high potential of going viral again. We would go to our page, we'd click edit on that, and we'd simply select all, and we'll hit copy there. So we just copy this caption from our other image. So, once we've built our template, we can reuse it over and over again. So all I did there was click the image, 3 little dots, and then edit, and that will bring up the captions. So let's go into the post creation. So I've got my video here. I know it's at This Ocean, so I'll tag them. Next, you can see that it's a nice, very cool video of dolphins jumping. Now when I looked, this video had around 400,000 views, so it's shown that it can go viral, so I'm very confident that this post will do well on our page. So what I do is I select a good cover. So as mentioned in lecture 5, we talk about what makes great content, and like I said, a very eye-catching and intriguing sort of cover image really helps. So for example, if we use this as the thumbnail, there's not really too much going on. It's very obvious. It's just a large body of water and something in the background which could be blurred out, or it looks like trees, obviously. So yeah, what we try to do is we try to slide this around until we get a fairly cool shot. So for example, this one here of the dolphins jumping out of the water. Alternatively, you can just use the thumbnail that the original content creator did use. That's a good way of going. But as you start doing it more and more, you'll start to get an eye for this sort of thing, and you'll find you'll realize what sort of thumbnails will work for your brand. Cool. So we'll use that one there. We'll click next, and all we'll do, we will paste that in, and start writing our caption. So we've got dolphins here. Let's have a look. So we know they're dolphins, so let's try to find a dolphin emoji. There we go. So what we want to do, we want to evoke emotion, and we want to give them a call to action to, tag a friend or leave a comment. So let's start with this. Wow. I was not expecting this. Extremely beautiful. So that there is our caption. Wow, I was not expecting this. Extremely beautiful. That almost makes people want to watch it. They're wow, something's interesting is going on. Their attention's grabbed. They're all yours. Let's do this. Okay, so and now the call to action. Who has ever seen dolphins in the wild before? Leave a comment if you have. Cool, so that's about it. We've got our call to action there. Get to know what's in our oceans with Our Blue Mess. For our oceans, all credit goes to original photographer, so we know who this is. It's This Ocean. And then our hashtags there, which we've already researched, and we know that they're the top ranking hashtags in our category. So the next step is to simply post it. So that's going to go on the Instagram. We usually choose around this sort of time. It's around 1 p.m. London time. So, whatever, you'll find out what works best for you. Whether you're a business, maybe you want to post when people get home from work, or whether you're just an entertainment page and a charity page like Our Blue Mess, where you're an entertainment sort of content provider, and it doesn't really matter what time you post, especially with viral content. It doesn't really matter. It's a process that goes on and on over a few days, so it's not something that instantly takes off. It might take 3 days, and then the post starts getting higher and higher on the explore page, and that's when it starts getting all the views. So it doesn't really matter. But what we'll do is we will leave that post up, and you can go and come back and check on the page Our Blue Mess, and we can see how it does. But so yeah, let's see if look, people have started commenting and reacting with the page already, so that's great. With the post, sorry. So yeah, what we'll do, we'll use that as a reference. You know, it could mean 3,000 views, which would mean it didn't go viral, but who knows? It could be another big hitter like this one, where it sits on the explore page for a long time and really builds up a lot of followers for that brand.